Okay, made the trim adjustments to the rudder and aileron, so it should take care of that left roll and left yaw. I will say this is the first time I've gone 3 flights on one pack. There's a first for everything.
Middle rates, high rates.
I'm not trying to waste packs, trying to keep on adjusting trim here. It should be all squared away, hopefully. Let's bring the gears up. Gears are up. Okay, good. Oh yeah, okay, solid. Or is there still a little left yaw? Let me see here. Gonna bring it back at about 60% throttle, so about cruising speed. Let me see how it looks. Thank you. Well, I think there's a slight left yaw still. That's okay. I can adjust that on the next one. I'm gonna run this pack out. No more landings on this pack. Oh, it feels so much better now. Just a little more, just one more trim on the rudder and it'll be squared away. Whoa, that's close. Should have been a little bit earlier on the elevator there. Nice, cool theater. Yeah, there's still that slight left yaw to it. I'm gonna take care of that. Sweet.
One minute and 38 seconds, 14.9 volts.
14.9.
Seconds, 14.8 volts.
Okay, let's bring you into land.
Gear down.
Gears are down. Beautiful. Let's come land and fix this rudder, and it should be solid for the next flight. I'm gonna get the run cam 2 in, and we'll be good to go. Yeah.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Beautiful.
Middle rates, low rates.